Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Snippets video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In our last video we created a quick page using a template. In this video we're going to show you how to set this page as the home page. Now to do this today we need to go to the theme customizer. So if we go to our dashboard, down to Divi and down to Theme Customizer. Now once it loads you can see that our home page that it's got set is pulling from our post page, and it's not very interesting. We want to set the page that we created yesterday as our home page. This page is called Import. Let's go back to our customizer and we're on the main settings here. If we go down to home page settings, I want it to be a static page, and I'm going to select the page which was called Import. There it is. And as you can see, it's pulled in this page as our home page, and that'll display as the main domain name up the top. Whenever we're happy, just hit the publish. We can exit customizer now and just check it by visiting the site. If I hit visit site, there we go, and as you can see my home page is now set to this. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.